So we are going out to eat. Where are we going?
Maestro's.
We're going to Maestro's. That's in Westfield Mall. Remember when you remember guys, if you watched the video when we got lost, right?
We got lost.
We got lost, and that's how we found the Maestro restaurant. So I still have all this kalat around me, and I will get all that done later in the week. But tonight, it's his birthday.
Thank you.
Yeah, you have a lot of greeters. A lot of said happy birthday in the page.
I can't thank you all individually. It will take me till next year replying to all the comments, but thank you all.
Yeah. So, see you guys later. So now we are heading towards the restaurant. This is the mall.
Did Longhorn last year? No.
Yeah, Longhorn. With Lalabs.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
No, it's not like this.
Yeah, with Lalabs.
No, it's the other Texas Roadhouse.
Yeah, Texas.
It's a place in San. With the Longhorns are double up.
There was a different year.
Well, it says last year was
So we are in Cheesecake Factory instead of the Maestro Steakhouse because he said it was too loud. He said
too loud, very loud.
so. It was too loud, and it was like almost an hour wait. So we came to Cheesecake Factory instead. They are actually just right across each other. So he's gonna have his favorite, which is going to be the shepherd's pie, and I will have my honey truffle chicken. And of course, for appetizer, we are going to have our cheeseburger spring roll. Yep. Ayan guys, dito sa Cheesecake Factory, nagbibigay sila ng bread. Meron silang sourdough, itong puti, tapos meron din sila itong chocolate na may oatmeal. Yan, ang favorite namin ni Mr. Clavel ito. Pero trip ko din ito minsan. Pero ayaw yan ni Mr. Clavel kasi parang matigas or something like that. Pero depende, ito hindi kasi bagong luto. Ayan, tapos meron din silang butter na binibigay and water. Pero syempre, hinintay namin yung order namin. So, yan. Yan ang aming pauna. So, he's got his shepherd's pie. I was gonna order the honey truffle chicken, but I saw these people over here earlier. They had this. This is called the salmon miso. So it's got a glazed salmon with rice underneath and the red sauce and white sauce. So this is the first time I'm gonna order this. Let's try how good this is. And he always has the shepherd's pie. It's cooked differently the way I cook it. So meron siyang giniling. So shepherd's pie is like basically just giniling. Tapos meron siyang on top is the mashed potato. Yan. Tapos may sauce lang siya. Yan. So, let's eat guys. So, let's try itong salmon nila. Kasi mukha siyang masarap. Kaya ko siya in-order. Ang sarap guys. Grabe. So, tikman natin yung rice. Tikman natin yung rice. Masarap yung salmon. Grabe. I can't even explain. Tikman natin yung rice. My new favorite. Ang sarap talaga. Promise. Kain mo na guys.
Alright, you guys ready? Alright, so happy birthday to Magic on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Matthew. Happy birthday to you. Thank you guys.
Make a thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Try it. Don't just try the ice cream, try the whole thing.
You got the ice cream. Chocolate somewhere. Good.
Okay? Ayan guys, ayun na yung cake. Nakain siya. Ayan. O diba, hindi niya pa naisip na magbigay sa akin. Ganyan talaga siya pag sweets. So meron siyang vanilla ice cream sa gitna. Itong dalawang to. Tapos, these are brownies. Tapos meron din siyang yung maliit na Godiva square na chocolate. Tapos may whipped cream. Of course, may chocolate syrup. Tapos I think ito is, peanut. What kind of nut is that here? Is it just peanut? Is it just plain peanut? Oh, just peanuts. So, mayroon din nakasulat, guys. Sabi niya, Happy birthday. Ayan. So, ako na sarili ko mag-i-invite sa sarili ko na kumain. Wala na yatang ice cream na natira sa akin. I like the peanuts. Try natin siya. Sarap. That's just the ice cream. Mr. Flavel is not very keen with chocolates or brownies, but he wanted to try the Godiva sundae. This is called the Godiva sundae. Diba? So kahit hindi Sunday, kahit Friday, kakain tayo ng Sunday. It's like a hard fudge.
Yeah.
What do you think?
I think so. Like a hodge pudding cheesecake. I mean, it was a kid thing.
Yeah. So, tatlo. Tapos dalawang ice cream sa gitna. Good luck sa ubo. Siguro yung chocolate hard fudge, pwede mo siyang i-take out. Pero parang ang hirap i-take out yung ice cream, matutunaw. Diba?